You've mastered serving. You're good, but you want to be great. If you're ready to step up and run the floor, you need to become the restaurant captain. This is the highest rank in service. And it's not just about taking orders. It's about leading a team, driving revenue, and delivering a Michelin-level experience. In the next 5 minutes, I'm breaking down the 3 non-negotiable pillars of this job and the path you need to take to get that promotion. Pillar number 1, service architect. As captain, you are the ultimate salesperson and educator. You must have encyclopedic knowledge. That means knowing every single ingredient, every allergen, and the regional sourcing of the daily special. Your goal is to guide the guest and upsell with authority. Example, instead of asking, "Can I get you a drink?" you say, "The chef has paired tonight's Wagyu with this beautiful Tuscan Sangiovese. I highly recommend it." You're not just serving, you are curating the experience. This also means mastering tableside service, the carving, the flambé, the decanting. This is where you separate yourself from every other waiter on the floor. Pillar 2, floor commander. This is where your skills become management skills. You are the operational bridge between the kitchen and the front door. Pacing is king. You dictate the rhythm of the meal. You need to look at the table. Are they talking? Are they done? And then communicate with the kitchen to fire the next course. You control the flow so no one is rushed, and the kitchen stays steady. Team management. You are responsible for your support staff, your back waiters and runners. Your job is to delegate, not dump. You need to delegate clearing, refilling water, and table resetting flawlessly so you can focus 100% on the primary guest interaction. If your section fails, you are the one who answers for it. Pillar 3, crisis manager. When a guest is upset, your job is to handle it. You are the first line of defense, and your goal is to prevent the issue from ever reaching the manager. Conflict resolution. The cold soup or the late drink is your problem to solve immediately. Listen calmly, apologize sincerely, and use your judgment to offer a solution, like a complimentary dessert or an adjustment. Your ability to turn a negative moment into a positive memory is your value. The check. Finally, the captain is accountable for the section's final checks and closing procedures, often involving cash outs and ensuring the integrity of the POS system. So, how do you get promoted? It's not about seniority, it's about demonstrated skill. 1. Get the experience. You need years in a high-caliber setting. 2. Upskill. Study wine. Study classic dishes. Get certified. 3. Lead. Start acting like a captain before you have the title. Offer to train new staff, take on extra inventory duties, and flawlessly manage the biggest tables. Show management you are not just a great server, but a ready-made leader. The captain is the ultimate trial run for management. Ready to take that leap? The captain role is challenging, but it is the fastest track to a high-paying career in hospitality management. If this video helped you chart your course, please hit the like button and subscribe for more career breakdowns.